Welcome back. In the next slides, I will show you what files to download in order to use the sample application for Oracle Business Intelligence Enterprise Edition in a Linux VirtualBox. Now, in order to download these files successfully, I will show you exactly where to locate them on the Oracle website, and also the download manager which you need to download and unzip these files with in order for you to be able to use them. So on the next slide, I will show you the version of the sample application which I will download. For demonstration purposes, I will try to remain consistent with the other videos which were used in the Windows environment, so that there isn't so much of a difference in the user interface when you begin to work with the software in the Linux VirtualBox. As you watch through these videos, you will learn how I got to this screen and also make a decision on which version you want to use based on the installation that you did for your Windows. Next, you will have to download a file manager such as 7-zip, which you will use now to unzip these files into a usable format that we can now import into the VirtualBox once all the files have been extracted. In order to download the sample application files for use in the VirtualBox, you will have to open a new search box in Google, or you can go direct to the Oracle website, go under Downloads, Middleware, and then under Middleware you go to Business Intelligence Suite Enterprise Edition, choose Oracle Business Intelligence Enterprise Edition 11G. Then when you get to this point, do not attempt to download any of these because these are Windows related. You scroll down to related products, you click on that option, and this will bring you to this page where you will have multiple sample app downloads for 12C, but you have to scroll down to previous versions. This is now the list of all the previous versions that Oracle has released so far up to this point. What I would like to warn you is that I've already evaluated most of these, and I can assure you that version 3.09 and version 4.06 are not very stable. And I know that some students have downloaded 11.9 as their Windows installation. So if you have done that, go ahead and use this. But if you are using a similar version, which is what I used for creating this course, I encourage you to download version 3.05. Accept license agreement, and then download the 5 listed. This is an optional download, and you also have to download the VirtualBox image key file.ovf. While sample application files are downloading, you can go ahead now and download the 7-zip file manager. Open a new window, type 7-zip, enter. The first option that comes up is what you want to pick, and make sure that you have the right domain, website. Click on download. Then you want to go to where it says for Windows, since we're downloading those files on the Windows machine. Then you go to the type of operating system that you have. I'm working with an 64-bit Windows machine, so go ahead and click on download, and the 7-zip download is started. Once downloading is complete, just click on the downloaded item for 7-zip. Then you want to say yes. Take note of the location where your files will be installed, and then you go ahead and click install. This takes a few seconds. Once that is done, just click close, and that's it.